Hello students, hope you are doing well. JEE Main 2021 Phase 3 exam is being conducted on July 20, 22, 25 and 27. This is the third attempt of JEE Main for the year 2021 and the previous two attempts were conducted in March and February respectively. With an aim to help the students enhance their last-minute revision for the exam, we have made a detailed comparison of JEE Main 28th July and 16th March exams in this video. The question paper analysis includes multiple aspects such as overall difficulty level, subject-wise difficulty level, topic-wise weightage, and other details. So, let us begin. Firstly, some of the major highlights of JEE Main 28th July versus 16th March question paper analysis can be checked here. The overall difficulty level of 28th July analysis for both Shift 1 and 2 collectively was moderate, while for 16th March 2021 exam for both Shift 1 and 2 it was also moderate. The difficulty level of mathematics for 28th July exam was tough, lengthy and time consuming as per the students, while for 16th March exam it was tough and lengthy. The difficulty level of physics for 28th July was moderately difficult for both Shift 1 and 2 and for 16th March exam it was moderate. The difficulty level of chemistry for 28th July exam was easy while it was moderately easy for 16th March JEE Main exam. As per the total number of easy questions for 28th July exam, Shift 1 consisted of 29 easy questions and Shift 2 consisted of 18 easy questions. For 16th March exam, Shift 1 consisted of 30 easy questions and Shift 2 consisted of 16 easy questions. Now, total number of moderate questions. For 28th July exam, Shift 1 consisted of 35 average moderate questions, while Shift 2 consisted of 42 moderate questions. For 16th March exam, Shift 1 consisted of 48 moderate questions and Shift 2 consisted of 56 moderate questions. Now, total number of difficult questions. For 28th July exam, Shift 1 consisted of 7 difficult questions, Shift 2 consisted of 12 difficult questions, while for 16th March exam, Shift 1 consisted of 3 difficult questions and Shift 2 consisted of 12 difficult questions. That means we can see that easy questions were more in 16th March exam, moderate questions were also more in 16th March exam, and difficult question whereas was more in 28th July exam as compared to 16th March exam. Now, the chapters that had the maximum weightage in physics were mechanics, modern physics and electrodynamics for the 28th July exam, while for the 16th March exam, the important topics in physics that had the highest weightage were electrodynamics, mechanics, modern physics. The chapters with maximum weightage in chemistry for 28th July exam were organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, and the same was for 16th March exam also. Inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry dominated the chemistry paper. The chapters that had the maximum weightage in mathematics for 20th July exam was differential calculus, probability, vector and 3D. While for the 16th March exam, the topics which had the maximum weightage in mathematics was coordinate geometry, vector and 3D and differential calculus. For more details and topic-wise weightage for each chapter, you can check the links that has been provided in the video description where you can find the detailed analysis and questions and all other important things for the exam. That's all for today. Thank you. We hope that the above analysis helped you in getting an idea of JEE Main paper analysis comparison for both 28th July and 16th March exam. If you still have any queries, you can ask the same to the provided link. Also, you can check the video description for all other links related to JEE Main exam analysis and other important topics. Meanwhile, stay tuned to College Takeover for day-wise comparison of JEE Main February, March and July exams. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.